Oh my gosh, you guys, stimulus checks are on the way for all the way up to $1,000, $1,050 for Uber and Lyft drivers. This is incredible news, so please thumbs up the video for the details and comment down below if you like money. You know I like money. First, I want to thank our sponsor, Current, by the way, which is a mobile banking app that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster if you ever are behind on cash. And they actually have no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks. When you sign up down below and make a little deposit, this is a savings account, they're gonna pay you 4% APY, meaning $4 on every 100 bucks, which is absolutely incredible. Use the link below to sign up. No fees, no credit checks, no account minimums, none of that. They're awesome. And listen to this, they're actually paying you money when you fill up at the gas station. How incredible is that? So check out Current down below. They even send you a cool little free black card, which I absolutely love, and you can link it together. This is all free, by the way. They're paying you to, basically get started. Over 3 million people use Current. I use Current, you can too. Use the link below. Let's get started, my friends. So we have a massive update with the stimulus checks. So basically, if you didn't know, there was a huge excess of money, right? This is not necessarily new money being printed by the Fed. This is actually money that was kind of left over from the last stimulus package, right? There was a multi-trillion-dollar stimulus relief package, and a lot of that money was just sitting in a lot of states, kind of, I don't know, whatever the state finance board or whatever you want to call it. So in California, Governor Gavin Newsom decided to sign this, draft bill that is going to issue Californians up to checks of up to $1,050, right? And so if you have this, so if you're in California and you earn less than, I believe it's $500,000 per year, you will be getting a stimulus check. So let's get the details on that. Millions of Californians will now be getting stimulus checks of up to $1,050, and now other states are joining in as well. We have the latest updates with stimulus checks in New York, stimulus checks in New Jersey, and we're also looking at a couple other states as well. So comment down below if you do want a stimulus check, and also the way that it works. Listen to this, more than half of California residents, including Uber and Lyft drivers, may or will be getting a stimulus check from the state. Governor Gavin Newsom's office announced. It says part of inflation relief package worth $17 billion, an estimated 23 million eligible Californians will receive payments totaling up to $1,050. For joint filers with at least one dependent, the relief package will be paid for by a record-setting $97 billion state budget surplus. So it's a surplus. It's money that they just have sitting there. You wonder why inflation's so high. They printed all this money, and there's money just sitting there, right? It's just sitting there, and they're not doing anything with it. So Governor Gavin Newsom, I'm not honestly opposed, because it's not really raising inflation. It's actually gonna just help stimulate the economy. And in fact, it's gonna help a little bit out with inflation, because in my opinion, I would rather have the money be in the hands of individuals rather than the government. So if the money's just sitting there, might as well just send it out to everyone. Like at this point, I support it. I mean, I don't support it to begin with, but like it's not necessarily like a negative thing, because I don't know about you, but I hate stimulus checks. I think they're horrible. I don't think they're good for the economy. I think getting business, I don't think it's the best way to stimulate an economy. But at the same time, I do sympathize with people who do need them, especially people who have been laid off from their job, etc. But listen to this, single tax filers, $350 if you earn less than $75,000 per year. This is based off of the 2020 year. So not this past year, 2021, but the year prior. So you already do have your tax returns. If you filed in 2020, you should have gotten your tax returns, I don't know, several months ago, right? We're not talking about this latest year. This is from 2020. It's $250 if tax filers earn between $75,000 and $125,000 per year. So the more you make, the less you're gonna get. If you made $125,000 to $250,000 per year, you're gonna earn $200. And this comes in the form, by the way, of a tax rebate. If either single or joint filers have at least one dependent, they will receive an additional amount of either $350, $250, or $200 based on their tier. Oh, wow. So joint filers with a dependent could be getting, yeah, up to $1,050 because you're gonna get $700 if you're a couple, plus $350 for just one dependent. Checks will be sent either via direct deposit or debit card by late October. So that's just in a couple of months. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one and comment down below. Oh yeah, in New Jersey, they're working on it there. New Mexicans are receiving more payments next week. Residents of New Mexico will start receiving their newest round of tax rebate checks as early as next week. So you can look into that more as well. And 90,000 New Jersey residents could lose health coverage if Congress fails to act, along with direct payments of $1,400. The coronavirus stimulus law enacted by Joe Biden included additional tax credits to help millions of Americans afford health insurance. But yeah, guys, we've got a lot of updates right now, but there's the latest. California has been approved and potentially other states as well. So comment down below what state you're in if you do need the money and what would you use that stimulus check for. So thanks for watching today's video. Again, check out Current, our link below. We have a special sponsor with them. They're helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You can have no fees on overdraft up to $200, and you can start earning 4% interest, which is really, really good. And I just checked it out here, and I have my card here, and also you can start earning cash back on your gas. So check out Current using my link below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now, guys.